if error. This is an add-on formula for any of your Excel formulas. I repeat, it's the add-on formula for any of your Excel formulas. Why it is used, where it is used, let's find out. Here we are going to learn it with the help of VLOOKUP. So in this particular example, we have the sales people here, salespersons, and we have the commission rate for them, right? For each and every person has a different commission rate. So here we have to bring that particular commission rate here with the help of a VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, we have a separate video on that. I'll place the link in this particular video. Those who want to visit VLOOKUP video, you can refer to that particular video. So I'll type VLOOKUP. What is my lookup value? I want to see if this particular value, duck, is there in this particular table, right? And I have to freeze this cell so that it does not, this range does not move down. Comma. In this one, which column I need? Second column, because that is a commission rate. Comma. False. This is an exact match. Now I'll drag this down. You can see there are two errors here. NA, one for duck, both the places. Rest everywhere, the percentages are extracted. Why? Because Doug word or this particular person's name is missing in this particular list. So my formula is right. I have not done anything wrong with the formula, but it is giving an error because the value is missing in this particular list. That is none of my mistake. But when you send this particular report, something like this, to your higher management or to your client, it does not look good to send it with the error in that. So instead of this error, either I want to blank it out, or I want to put a zero there, or I want to put a word called missing there. How do we do it? This is how we go. Open the formula, double click. At the beginning of the formula, after is equal to before VLOOKUP. And this is for any formula, not just for VLOOKUP. Remember, after is equal to before the formula starts, type if error word, if error one word, open the bracket. Then let the formula run. No matter how long the formula is, let it run. At the end of the formula, you are going to give a comma. Then within inverted comma, within inverted quotes, you are going to write missing. Or if you want to show a blank, you are going to just place a blank in quotes, or you can say zero either in or without quotes. So I need the word missing. I'm going to type missing within quotes, and I'm going to close the bracket. Press enter. That's all you have to do. Look at this, missing. So this is if error. Please use it wherever you need in any of the Excel formulas. I will create more such videos on your encouragement. Thank you so much.